Hey guys, Kholofelo here. I'm so excited to share with you my experience in as far as call it the 90-day challenge is concerned, regarding basically what happens when you run a business on a daily basis. Because remember, the whole point of doing what we have to do on a daily basis, it's so that we need to get results for whatever thing that we are doing. However, it becomes a little bit challenging if you do not have, call it a tracking system that can help you to check if you are going forward or backwards in as far as your progress is concerned. And as such, I have found that many people have, as a result, tend to mistaken movement for achievement, and that is basically something that is happening amongst a lot of business people out there. And so what I love most about the system is that firstly, it's just a question of sitting with yourself at the end of the day to check exactly what is it that you managed to get done in as far as the day was concerned, because then that way we also have to bear in mind that different industries have got different tasks that need to be done on a daily basis, and only you know what kind of task are those that need to happen. But it becomes fundamentally important if you start putting points to that task, because then that way it's easy to gauge how much points you've scored in a day, and that will ultimately sometimes have got little to do with the results that you got, except that you've done your part. Because remember, it does happen at times that you do your part but you don't get the results. But one thing I can assure you is that if you continue doing those things that you know lead to results, then ultimately you will get call it the kind of results that you are looking for. And of course in time, because then once you start doing tasks and then those tasks perhaps they are not leading you to fruition, then you also get to see that being reflected on the second pointer, which is call it what did I learn at the end of the day, meaning that out of the tasks that you have done, what is it that you've learned and what is it basically that you can improve on. Because then you cannot afford to be facing similar challenges on an everyday basis without you having the solution on how to come about them. And then lastly, there's a point where now you check who perhaps is your mentor and how can that person help you, particularly if you've met specific challenges that maybe are giving you call it a serious problem. And in my case it's Hannes. So whenever I get to get stuck on a specific task or something which is challenging, then I simply ask for his opinion to check what is it that perhaps he can call it recommend or maybe shed light on that I can improve on. And that I can tell you, it's led me to an incredible call it amount of progress in a very short space of time, wherein now I can literally check the things that I have to do on a regular basis, on a daily basis, or call it a weekly basis, which can be equal to someone's call it progress for 2 or 3 months at times, simply because you are hard at your task and you're not letting any minute goes to waste in as far as whatever that you need to do is concerned. And another thing is, remember, we are in different industries. Like in one of the things I'm involved in, it's call it the network industry, wherein now you have to deal with a number of people, some who are maybe part of your team and stuff like that. And that tool, I can tell you, it helps you to manage exactly what is it that is going on in your business. Why? Because then when a person comes to you and say, look, I've got a bit of a challenge here, you can simply take the point system and check what is it that you've done in as far as what you needed to do was concerned. And that will tell the true picture as to if the person is moving forward or is moving backwards. And I can only be thankful to my dear mentor, Hannes. Thank you so much, and I can only look forward to succeeding more and more. Thank you very much.